that's my okay. Was we trying to in camera? Also, support and unity. Some of the man who are ready.
Yeah, of course, yeah, if I am a certain observation be a me wo atu munchine pa. Last time my friend me Madam for the Scotland. And then I'm a friend na Scotland. I think one of the World Cup qualifiers. Nti menene kasano nam town. And the way the Scottish people know na obia mo flat everyone ko mo obia say na musan say ah. And I say share. E ba mo national team na. Enye easy support mo the moment. And I'm say ah, but say Scotland they don't win anything or powerhouse gidi. And then I say kana results no na enkoye no say minim bibi. Say a drew say omo national team no assignment. Even on radio, any TV, so the discussion doesn't have anything negative. They discuss at the end say this is our national pride. And now you walk on obi amfani susu mumra na yenko support ya de no. And I say oh okay. But Rich, na me can be say asembe so. I knew me Madam Fudi didn't come on. I knew in Ghana for some time now. It is the opposite of the now catch me about Scotland now. And the reason why it is emuntintim by pano yes I'm sure for count.
Okay, I call it Austria. Even it was a friendly game. But so we see a bontia. The almost cherish of national team. It's serious.
Ghana for cherish the nobody can say Ghana from pay blasters and I say no more pay Ghana pay blasters. Giddy. The only thing that has been missing, I say, Rich, yeah, national team done. It is now tied to resource. Usha, a dubia Ghana for the bachelor on your docket. And some orientation, has come from the media. Into Ubera say resource in Koye ma blasters are you on some trophobia. Satamne pan or me active. And the radio station here 3,000 Ghana or make us 2,000. Obi abeso from because that is their time. You on some trophobia so has a Ghana blasters sha. Program cry there. Because it doesn't give them the opportunity say you know. And in that kind of journalism, no, and the only time they come on board is when the results are good. And to me, Queiroz, a very, very honest, well-researched approach to the opener. These are the words I was in the Pakwandeka channel. Ghana for Upomu supporter.
Sure.
Before our channel, you need to show them 3 things. Those 3 things will give you the results, and the results will bring their love. First one, discipline. Obaya beka se Ghana player be anywhere. Sebi blast jesi no. Ene japade no. They will want you to show that discipline. It's from baby again and be art, you know. Or say blasters and a Queiroz they a disciplined team. Oh, that is number 1. Number 2, commitment. Wo unu players no, any mu coaches no. Mu jina park ni so a. Mo obi hu se mu kum ho amoma no. Ghana for we don't take that thing for granted. You say you are fighting on the pitch. O chira ho fa maybe a sombo say o kun ho. So yes Any Ghana in the okay, Mr. Somebody make it up a better way. Then the last one. Because you're my rich, ye genuine maybe din terminal. Send your bear and ranko 14 na endi when you kind. You need to be very, very transparent. Transparency, our communication. Transparency, our collapse. Transparency, our opportunities are. Or the players and then confer around your team. Be very, very transparent about that. And he said, we are discipline. Now, we team need show commitment. Now, we are transparent with Ghanaians. Rich, we are no way here. There's no way you will not get results. And he said, oh yes, I know money no results in a bar. You will get the love, you will get the unity and the support of Ghanaians now open.
Okay.
It's as clear as that.
Rich, yeah, sending you humble.
Ghana for. That's orientation.
Yeah, abroad, more of a recreational day. Inti anything and then Chelsea bebre so be winning match, but unya as low as it will be if you were here. So I got 5 games in a row now in Sha. Ebia ube nyani pay abros why 5,000. But you still get 36,000 in a 40,000 seater capacity stadium because of how they see football. I need to know what me talk season tickets and more. And I think that is our thing. And Carlos Queiroz, I'm sure, say, having been born in Mozambique, and why you want the content to understand the African perspective of national teams, as just a creation. It is more of a competitive thing for us. So, a national colors now, you is all representing, and so representing us, success, results in 10 tema. Again, we are in a country where, or in a part of the world where economic situation is quite favorable. It's Nipano, Sebi, wasting time, I show, wasting time, I do a cheat. Now, one sign shit. Not the bread and butter issues quite problematic. No, team in support. Duty of colors never acquire, or see our teams in getting an share. For the Ghanaian, it's one of pride. It is a Comoro Island, Shena, Anna, and Yamon.
Can't we change our mindset?
No,
football.
No, but you see, that is who we are. It doesn't mean say Debbie will not see you lose back qua ENTSU. The Ghanaian person knows say the Debbie lose matches near there.
Okay.
But anything that when the conversation degenerates, about down to say okay, players no can move park no so my home family ni players can show more press Sanya man because they are looking at it from putting in an effort. Say effort no one the average Ghanaian support you. So for me, Carlos Queiroz ne juma so kesiye and they say obetimi ama players na tiase and get them to put in effort even when days are bad, because in every facet of life there are going to be not so good days. So how you put on 100% on the field of play, no, he has to imbibe it in the players for them to know say Ghana for team and Mufoni behu.
Yeah, a game against Egypt, you bought draw 2-2.
Yeah,
but after the game, you Ghana and Libya yeah, and shut about effort. On the day, no game, only players, no
efforts.
Born on boy,
efforts.
You can't for them.
Efforts. That is what the Ghana. O call it on free. Some more can say. Into because you supporting the beba. No, but the caveats not to. So I think that is it for us, and the job has been cut clear for Carlos Queiroz.
Sure, the ball is in his court. Rolling out young queen. Now, some of the 4 party near Basso.
That's not become 4 party. Oh, you show commitment, you know. Like our time to prove that.
And maybe even after the World Cup.
Maybe after the World Cup.
Time now upon the day for World Cup. There's no one never said. There's some catch up.
Rich Utwado.
There's a World Cup. Rich. What's the taste? No managing you.
You see, that's the thing. A woman who some near the against me.
Say.
More musi Utwado your inexperience on yard. Musu inexperience. Or yes, trainer scout. I mean, I say mono. It is we are believing that an experienced coach is the antidote to your problem. No?
Okay.
It's your bar. And so she. And Rich, the way Carlos Queiroz born the board, when your results were better, honestly, Panama one share. One of us,
when the first games here, the Panama level.
That's all share.
Yes, it comes great. The double one shot the series.
That's one was.
Before that, say about wolves, about
no, me crowd them can't walk up.
But I said there are also other opportunities for them.
I'm not friendly games.
No, but like at least am I gonna phone believe okay fine. Ocean Wales. What do I go kujine?
And I never say Nancy Oscar share, Japan share, Korea share.
Friendly games share.
Good. So corner ever say Wakobo draw against Wolves. Who say okay?
That confidence there.
Okay, now we are changing from losing to draw.
Yeah.
Earlier wins will be befem.
Eventually. But joy about no more back.
Yes, Panama homo si na Congo.